Breast self-examination is a simple method that women can use to monitor their own breast health and detect any abnormalities. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing a breast self-examination. Stand undressed from the waist up in front of a mirror with your arms at your sides. Look for any changes in the shape, size, and contour of your breasts. Note any dimpling, puckering, or changes in the skin texture. Look for any discharge from the nipples. Raise your arms over your head and look for the same changes. Note any differences in appearance from your previous breast self-examination. Lie down on your back with a pillow under your right shoulder and your right arm behind your head. Use the pads of the 3 middle fingers of your left hand to examine your right breast. Start at the outer edge of your breast and move in a circular pattern towards the nipple. Move your fingers up and down vertically, starting from the collarbone and moving down to the top of the abdomen. Start from the outer edge of the breast and move towards the nipple. Then return to the outer edge in a wedge pattern. Use light pressure for the tissue just beneath the skin, medium pressure for the middle of your breast, and firm pressure for the deep tissue closest to your chest and ribs. Feel for any lumps, thickened areas, or other changes. Move the pillow under your left shoulder and repeat the examination on your left breast with your right hand. It's often easiest to do this step in the shower when your skin is wet and slippery. Raise one arm and use the opposite hand to feel your breast in the same pattern described in step 2. Be sure to check the area around your armpit for any lumps or changes, as breast tissue extends to this area. There are a few tips for effective breast self-examination. Perform the examination once a month, preferably at the same time each month. The best time is a few days after your menstrual period ends, when your breasts are least likely to be swollen and tender. Get to know the normal look and feel of your breasts so you can notice any changes promptly. If you find any lumps, thickened areas, or any other changes, don't panic. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider to have it checked out. Most breast lumps are benign, but it's important to get any changes evaluated. Contact your healthcare provider when you notice a new lump or mass, when there is a change in the size, shape, or appearance of your breast, when you experience pain in one spot that doesn't go away, and when you see any unusual discharge from your nipple. Regular breast self-examinations are an important way to stay aware of your breast health. While they do not replace regular mammograms and professional screenings, they are a useful tool for early detection of breast abnormalities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative health content. Stay tuned for our next video.